Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, your trusted stop for the most insane rides on the road. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, a beast that blends the power of a semi-truck with the luxury of a high-end RV. Right off the bat, this thing demands attention. The classic Kenworth T2000 body has been transformed into a rolling palace. It's still got that aggressive aerodynamic front end that truckers love, but behind it lies a fully customized motorhome setup that's turning heads across the country. Step inside, and you'll forget you're in a vehicle that used to haul freight. The interior is jaw-dropping. We're talking genuine leather seating, ambient LED lighting, a full-size kitchen with modern appliances, and a spa-inspired bathroom. There's even a queen-size bed and a 4K entertainment setup that rivals a luxury condo. Now, don't let the comfort fool you. Under the hood, the 2025 T2000 is powered by a robust 15-liter Cummins X15 engine, pushing up to 605 horsepower. Whether you're cruising through mountains or highways, this motorhome moves like a dream, all while offering air ride suspension for next-level comfort. Tech-wise, Kenworth didn't hold back. You get a fully digital cockpit, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and a 360-degree camera system, making it surprisingly easy to maneuver for something this massive. Fuel economy isn't its strongest suit, obviously, but if you're in the market for a motorhome built on a big rig chassis, you already know what you're signing up for. It's more about the experience, the freedom, and the luxury. Let's take it even further. The cockpit is built with long-haul drivers in mind, but here it's been elevated to a luxury command center. Ergonomic controls, a wraparound dash, and a massive infotainment screen give you full control over navigation, entertainment, and even your living quarters. With integrated smart home tech, you can adjust lights, AC, or even monitor your security from your phone. This rig expands, with slide-outs that turn your space into a mini apartment. There's a cozy dining setup, recliners for movie nights, and even a washer-dryer combo neatly hidden away. You've got enough storage for long hauls and then some. Soundproofing is excellent. The outside world fades away, leaving you with a peaceful, luxurious environment. And let's not forget safety. Automatic emergency braking, blind spot alerts, and real-time tire pressure monitoring give you peace of mind on every mile. Customization options are endless. Solar panels, rooftop patios, satellite internet. People are turning these into off-grid luxury homes on wheels. That's the magic of the Kenworth base. It's built to last and built to upgrade. So who is this for? Retired truckers chasing luxury, digital nomads who want more than a van, or anyone bold enough to say no to ordinary RVs. That's it for this ride on Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring you the biggest, boldest, and most exciting vehicles on the road. If the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Would you live full-time in this monster motorhome? Catch you in the next one, only on Honest Auto Wheels.